worth of Starbucks. So, 5 kape na to. Ang get from PTC. Calling the photographer of the organizer. Worth 1,000 pesos. Congratulations to Daryl Mangosing from NS United. So sana guys, pamusikan nyo kami dito para masaya. Ano to? Mananalo ng grocery. Zyfred Kayoka from... Once again, 513161. 2 more. Marinal and Otek.
Salubong ko na sila, pabalik na. 50525.
Number 4, ano yun last? Lang, refrigerator, charot, cooking blender, Nessa CF Sharp,
Okay, congratulations. Last 3, Sir Glenn.
last 3, alright.
Stop na lang ha. Sabi ko.
Kailangan po may names, may name and company name po yung ating raffle staff. Ang ballpen po nandun po sa may secretariat area po. Dito na lang po yung may names na para po hindi na kailangan umakyat ng stage. Kailangan na po muna natin bumaba at mag-start na po ang ating program.
Guys, shout out to PB Maritime or Pacific Basin. Yung magpapa-shoutout po next, may bayad po. Charot. Thank you so much for support. We hope to see you again next year for our 17th fun run. But before that, let's finish this with flying colors to do our raffle draw. Yes, opo, wala na po muna ang akyat sa stage. Kami na po maglalagay ng inyong raffle stop. Just make sure you have... I know you all came from different parts of the Philippines. Fun run. Shout out to KLNG, Maritime Services Incorporated. Hapong-hapo na itong mga tropa natin dito eh. And reminding everyone to please don't pick up na lang po the litters everywhere. Plastic, anything that you see on the floor, pakipulot na lang po at pakitapon po. Ang mga basura po natin ay makikita nyo sa paligid ng venue. Thank you so much. Raffle stop po. What's that, sir?